Hola clase, para este video vamos a hablar sobre el verbo gustar y otros verbos like it. So for this video, we're going to talk about the verb gustar and other verbs like it. First off, I think it's important to understand that the verb gustar and likewise encantar, because they sort of mean the same thing, they mean to be pleasing. So in Spanish, the expressions I like and you like, he or she likes, etc., don't really exist. Those are a rough translation of what gustar and encantar really mean. What they literally translate to is to be pleasing. Now, to talk about who something is pleasing to, we have to add what are called IOPs, or that's my nickname for them, which are indirect object pronouns. And we add those before the verb gustar, encantar, or other verbs like it, which again we'll explain later on. So here are your IOPs, the indirect object pronouns. We have me, which means to me, te, to you, le, to him, to her, or to you, formal, nos, to us, and les, to them. So look at the following examples. Me gusta means to me, it is pleasing. Now, the rough translation would be I like. However, I want you to know this way because this is the literal translation. Te gusta, to you, it is pleasing. Le gusta, to him, to her, or to you formal, it is pleasing. Nos gusta, to us, it is pleasing. And les gusta, to them, it is pleasing. So again, me means to me, gusta, it is pleasing, so on and so forth. Now, to add emphasis to the verb gustar or encantar and other verbs like it, the following can be, but they're not required, added before the IOPs. We have a mí, a ti, a él, a ella, a usted, a nosotros, and a ellos, a ellas, and a ustedes. So all together, this is what it would look like. Again, the words in white are not required when you're using the verb gustar, encantar, or other verbs like it. But if you really want to add emphasis to tell someone that this particular thing or person really, really means a lot to you or bores you or whatever it is you're trying to express, if you want to add emphasis, you'll use these words in white. Again, though, they're not required. But just so you can see it all together, a mí me gusta means to me it is pleasing. And again, it's an emphasis. To me, this is pleasing. A ti te gusta? To you it is pleasing. A él, a ella, a usted le gusta? To him, her, or you formal, it's pleasing. A nosotros nos gusta? To us it is pleasing. And a ellos, a ellas, a ustedes les gusta? To them it is pleasing. Again, words in white are just to add emphasis. They are not required. Now, gustar, encantar, or other verbs like it, they change if there's more than one object that is pleasing or liked. For example, we'll use the form gusta when we're talking about just one object or person that is liked. In other words, it's singular. We're going to use gustan if we're referring to more than one object that is liked. So look at the following slide. Me gusta la papa versus me gustan las papas. Sentence number 1 would be, to me, a potato, or the potato, is pleasing. Over here, to me, potatoes, plural, are pleasing. So see, we had to change this because this is plural. So gusta for singular when only one object is liked. Gustan for plural whenever there's more than one object that's liked. Look at this one. Le encanta el pastel. To him or to her or to you formal, the pastry is enchanting or pleasing. Le encantan los pasteles. To him, to her, or to you formal, the pastries, plural, are enchanting or pleasing. Again, encanta because it's singular. Encantan, because it's plural. So how do we know whether to use the singular or plural? Well, whatever noun you're going to put behind gusta, or the verb gustar, if it is singular, use gusta. If it's more than one, gustan. Same with this one. And same with any other verbs that function like the verb gustar. Alright, so let's have some práctica. Vamos a practicar. A Harry, yes, that's Harry Styles, a Harry le gusta el helado. To Harry, ice cream pleases him. I mean, really, ice cream pleases everybody. Here's just another way of looking at it. Le gusta el helado. Ice cream is pleasing to him. Or to him, it is pleasing, referring to the ice cream. Again, ice cream, it's just the ice cream. It's singular, it's not plural. So this has to be singular. A Ryan le encanta el chocolate. To Ryan, chocolate enchants him. He loves it. So again, le means to him. Le gusta, to him, it is pleasing. Just for you to see it up close. Let's do another one. A Kobayashi le gustan los perros calientes. To Kobayashi, he's a world champ hot dog eater. Le gustan los perros calientes. So to Kobayashi, hot dogs are pleasing to him. Now notice hot dogs are plural. So it changes from gusta to gustan. Another way to see it, without his name, le gustan los perros calientes. To him, hot dogs are pleasing. Again, just another way for you to see it. All right, let's do some más. Just some other example sentences. For example, él me gusta. He, to me, is pleasing. So if you're referring to a certain guy, oh, he's so pleasing to me. Él me gusta. ¿Te gusta? To you, is it, he, or she pleasing? Or do you like him or her? Here's just more examples. Me gusta. To me, he is pleasing. Oh, that's his wife speaking. Me gusta Chris. To me, Chris is pleasing. Or as we would say in English, I like Chris. But again, this is a rough translation. You need to memorize it this way. Ella me gusta. She, to me, is very pleasing. So she, ella, to me, me gusta, is pleasing. Me gusta, to me, she, he, or it is pleasing. You see how this is working? Me gustó, to me, I please myself, or I like myself. Me gusta. Okay, another way you can use the verb gustar is with an infinitivo, is with an infinitive, and other verbs like it can be used like this as well. So for example, if you wanted to say, I like to dance, or dancing is pleasing to me, you could say, me gusta bailar, right? Me gusta bailar, I like to dance. Or, this is the way we've been learning, you can just use it with a noun. That's what a sustantivo is. So let's have some practice with this. Sustantivo is a noun, infinitivo is the infinitive. Me gusta el chocolate would be an example. Te gusta la pizza? Do you like pizza? And I'm sorry, I forgot to put a question mark there. All these are just some more examples. No me gusta la tarea, or no me gustan las tareas, so I don't like homework, or homework is not pleasing to me. Me gusta bailar, I like to dance, or to dance is pleasing to me. Te gusta leer? Do you like to read, or to read is pleasing to you? And me gusta ir al cine. I like to go to the movies, or to me, going to the movies is pleasing. Okay? Now just a quick side note, and we'll practice with these more in clase, but other verbs like gustar and encantar that you can use just like we've been practicing all throughout this video would be interesar, which means to be interesting, and aburrir, to be boring. So an example sentence would be, me aburres, to me, you are boring. And that's all, folks. El fin. Hasta mañana en clase y chao.